In this video, we will show you how to create and manage sub-accounts in the STFULFILL system. Sub-accounts allows you to give team members access to select part of your STFULFILL account. You can control which system feature each user can access and assign specific store to each user. This guide is helpful when you need multiple team members to manage different tasks while keeping your main account secure. There are 6 steps to create and set up a sub-account. Step 1. Create a role. Step 2. Configure role permissions. Step 3. Create a sub-account. Step 4. Enter user information. Step 5. Assign a role. Step 6. Assign stores. Let's start with Step 1. Step 1. Create a role. First, log into your STFULFILL account. Go to the role page. Click Add Role. Enter a name for the role. For example, you can create a role called Order Process for users who manage orders. Next, select the permissions you want to assign based on the user's responsibility. You can enable access to different system functions such as dashboard, orders, product connection, store management, and other required functions. After completing the permission settings, click Save in the bottom right corner. The role has been created successfully. Step 2. Configure role permissions. The role determines which system function the sub-account can access. When creating or acting a role, select only the permission required for the user's daily tasks. For security reasons, we recommend assign only the necessary permissions. Avoid giving user access to functions they do not need. If you need to update an existing role, click Edit. Modify the permission settings and click Save. Step 3. Create a sub-account. Next, create a sub-account for your team member. Go to the account page. Click Add User. The system will open the user creation page. Step 4. Enter user information. Complete the following fields. Email. Enter the user email address. Password. Create a password for the new user. The password must contain at least 8 characters, include both letters and numbers. Include a special character. For the special character, we recommend using asterisk. Salesperson name. Enter the user name. For example, Tom. Make sure the account status is set to normal. After completing all information, click Save. Step 5. Assign a role. After the sub-account has been created, assign a role to the user. Find the newly created account in the account list. Click Role next to the relevant account. Select the role you want to assign. For example, Order Process. Click Save. Step 6. Assign stores. The final step is assigning store access. Click Store next to the relevant sub-account. Select the store or stores that the user is allowed to access. Click Save. The sub-account will only be able to view and manage orders from the assigned store. Orders from other stores will not be visible to this user. Sub-account setup completed. The sub-account is now ready to use. Send a registered email address and a password to the authorized team member. They can log into the STFULFILL system using their own account. After logging in, the user will only be able to view and operate the store and the system function you have authorized. Security recommendation. Assign only the permission required for the user's responsibility. Avoid sharing the main account credentials with employees or other team members. Creating separate sub-accounts helps improve account security and makes team management easier. If you encounter any issues during the setup process, return to the STFULFILL dashboard and contact your dedicated account manager. Your account manager can assist you with account setting, store connections, orders, and other system-related questions.